So this is what happens when you leave your truck by a fallen tree. I'm just saying. Don't park your truck where the tree is gonna fall. You smell me? All right. Hello, Mama.
I'm pretty sure that's a female bird.
How are you?
Look at this.
All right, folks. We come to see some good friends. Hey, Phoenix. Do you remember these people? You want to say hi?
Yes.
Say hi, everybody. You don't remember? Hi. Is it your birthday? How old are you?
No.
Hey.
They can hear me.
They can hear you?
Uh-uh.
Phoenix is no. No? What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
He doesn't know. What about the cars?
These cars.
What about those cars? Can I see one?
Yes.
Can I see one? Oh, that's a Camaro.
Yeah.
Can you say Camaro?
Camaro.
Camaro, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What else you got? Can I see one?
Yes.
Oh man, that's MJ1.
AG1.
MJ1. You like the big truck?
It is.
Yeah, what's that one?
This is the forklift.
He already knows that one. Hey guys, that's a forklift.
It is a forklift.
It is a forklift. So everybody say happy birthday to Phoenix.
Yeah.
Yeah, because look. It's his birthday today.
It is good.
So how old are you? Are you 3?
Yes. I'm 3.
You're 3?
You're 4.
You 4?
I'm 4.
He's 4! Man, you're growing too fast. Man, this is a good video. Probably best one since yesterday that I didn't even take. Yeah. All right, so you guys, I'm gonna play some drums and some bass guitar, and I'm gonna hang out with my old boyfriend from a long time ago, and maybe even do stuff you guys don't know about, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all ready to bust out some fresh beats? Huh? For Phoenix's birthday? Let's try it out. Fresh beats. Got it. Alright. Oh. Where's my... Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Phoenix. Happy birthday to you. Right? Right? They got a uke. Y'all better believe that. Got a uke. Are we ready?
I am the great Cornholio. I have no tippy for my bungle. Well, what are you doing?
knocked your face off for like a minute and 38 seconds. Fart jams for life. And you know you're in a good home when it's surrounded in fart. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. That's vintage fart work. Look at that. Look at this. More fart work. Blast. Angry chicken, and check this out. Original Jack Sparrow. What's up, dude? Let me give you 5. I'm not giving you a hook. You know what I'm saying? Give them Patch, dude. Give them Patch. Hey, your twin brothers in the book bag in the van. Actually, you guys could hang out, but no, I was too lazy to walk to the road, Jack. You heard me. Hey, Phoenix. Come on here. Can you give me 5?
5.
Give me 5. Yeah. See you later. Good see you tomorrow for your birthday party. See you tomorrow for birthday party. All right, give me dabs. Remember that one? Punch me. Yeah. Hey, look, it's Burger Planet. Who are you, Yoshi?
Yeah.
No, that's Big Yoshi.
Oh no, it's Emperor Lemming. We haven't seen Emperor Lemming for quite some time.
You can tell I have some changes.
What happened? What, you got a new necklace?
Gucci, my dude.
Gucci, my dude.
I'm paid, even though it's fake. I'm still paid.
You're getting paid to eat them big old cheeseburgers.
Yeah, I'm freaking paid.
Look, you see him just throw the cheeseburger down? Ow!
This thing's like twice my size. I can't freaking
Oh,
carry.
you a superstar?
I can't carry this for long. It's like twice my size.
Oh man, you guess you're not as strong as Ant-Man.
Strong I am.
Oh man, he's getting angry. You like it when he's angry. Oh! You guys missed it. Did you hear that? Hey, did you hear that?
Yes.
It's Yoshi!
Yoshi!
All right, can you say much love around the globe? Thank you for supporting Mark Fun Jones.
Welcome, Mark.
You're welcome, Mark. He said you're welcome, Mark. It's good enough. Hey,
Don't
look,
remember
there's the
to
globe.
subscribe to him and Emperor Jeffrey.
Emperor Lemming. Oh, look, there's an older kid right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Make
see
sure
you guys.
not.
We're having fun.
Make sure to subscribe to him. Even though he doesn't have a channel, he's just adorable.
Oh, look. Oh,
He doesn't have a channel.
Emperor Jeffrey made it.
No, guys, subscribe to him, but he doesn't have a channel. He's on his channel, so subscribe.
Yeah, he is on many of my channel of him growing up
Oh,
from,
yeah.
from baby to
If
now.
you don't know, if you want to know what I look like,
Oh.
he's just saying subscribe
All right.
to it because
if
he's
you
on
want to
there.
know what I look like, well then, you're gonna have to go deep into
Okay.
his channel, okay?
Okay,
You
see
know-
you guys.
You can see what Chris looks like.
This video was brought to you by
Jones
Productions. Jones Productions, that's right. Thank you for joining us at Jones Productions. Much love to our #1, Maud Rosie. We love you.